Hey guys, and welcome to another video. If you like that cinematic intro, definitely leave a like below, because that took some editing and that was pretty fun. Anyway, today we're going to be talking about this awesome BB gun called the UM654. This is a plastic electric blowback. So yeah, the link will be in the description below from where I bought it, which was justbbguns.co.uk. So here's the gun. So as you can see, it's a blowback. You don't have to reload or anything, you don't need to do that. So it hasn't got a proper mag. As you can see, if you pull it out here, you need to kind of use a nail. So yeah, you get it in. And this mag holds 16 BBs. Now this isn't a proper mag, mainly because over here it is taken up by all these batteries. So yeah, so this gun, like I said before, was plastic. It's an electric and it's a blowback. It shoots at 150 FPS, and the recommended ammo is 0.12 G. And yeah, this is a great gun. Just, you know, blowback. It's really cool. So you guys hopefully will like it. I got it online for only £34. So it was a great price for this product. But like I said, it's plastic and it only shoots at 150 FPS. But you know, you can use that for battles, so that is definitely great. That's a plus there. So yeah, the magazine release doesn't work. Right there. There we go, it's right there. Because like I said, you have to kind of have like a bit of a nail. No. To pull that out. So yeah, let's get on to the shooting. See ya. Okay, so sorry if the audio isn't great, but let's start shooting. So hold on to the safety, remember, with your middle finger, and just, you know. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press that notification bell to get reminded when I upload a new video.